In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see all bookmarks in Google Chrome in just a few quick steps. If you've saved a lot of pages and you're trying to find one bookmark fast, this is the easiest way to open your full bookmark list and manage everything in one place. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. In the top right corner of the browser, look for the three vertical dots. This is the main menu for Chrome, and it gives you access to a lot of browser settings and tools. Click those three dots to open the menu. Once the menu appears, move your mouse over the Bookmarks and Lists option. As soon as you hover over it, a second menu will open on the side. This is where Chrome keeps bookmark-related tools and shortcuts. In that submenu, click Bookmark Manager. This will open a full page showing all of your saved bookmarks. From here, you can browse through folders, find specific pages, organize your saved sites, and even edit or delete bookmarks if needed. If you have a lot of bookmarks, the Bookmark Manager makes it much easier to see everything clearly instead of searching through the browser bar one by one. You can also use the search box inside the Bookmark Manager if you want to quickly find a specific site by name. So to recap, click the three dots, hover over Bookmarks and Lists, and then open Bookmark Manager to see all your bookmarks in Google Chrome. If this video was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe for more Chrome tips, and I'll see you in the next one.